Hello, this is Michael Porter, and today we're going to talk about how to use the streaming button on the BrainTap app. So it's going to be 5 simple steps. First, you're going to want to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. We'll log into the BrainTap app, click on the streaming button, browse the categories, and then play the session. So for those of you who know where the streaming icon is, it's going to look like this. So shows we're connected. If you want to make sure, which is always good to do, click on the icons button, go into settings, and it'll show you that the Wi-Fi is on right now. So that's really all you have to do if you want to make sure. And the second thing we want to do is log into the BrainTap app. So once you've downloaded the app, it should be somewhere on your desktop. If you've taken it off the desktop, then you just click back in here and you'll go in and find it in the B's, which you can see here because they're all alphabetical. So in this case, we've downloaded it, we kept it up here. So go ahead now and click on that. And now it's going to automatically log you in. So you shouldn't have to put the login back in, but if you do, it's the email address you gave us and the password we gave you. So the button we're going to touch on today is the streaming button. So go ahead and click the streaming button. And now we want to browse the categories. So as you can see here, there's a number of different categories that you can browse through, and each of these categories have subcategories that have sessions within them. So if someone's looking for stress as an example, you'll go into the lifestyle category, and there's a subcategory in lifestyle that's called stress reduction. And when you go into the stress reduction sessions, you'll see that they're all listed here. And you'll pick one out that you want to listen to. So we'll go ahead and click on Create Your Enchanted Forest for Stress Reduction. And once you click on that, it'll bring the session up for you. This is your play button. This is your stop button. And this button over here will allow you to download this session to play in save sessions mode, which we'll talk about. So when you're in Wi-Fi, you'll be able to stream this session. But if you'd like to know how to play this session outside of Wi-Fi, if your Wi-Fi might not be as good or as good as you like it to be, it's better to probably play it in save sessions mode. So we do have a clip for you to watch on that, and it will be how to use your streaming button in save sessions mode. So all you have to do to play the session is just click here, and you'll notice that it'll start to count down here. And once it starts counting down, you know the session is working. So we'll go ahead and stop that. And again, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Log into the BrainTap app unless you're automatically logged in. Click on your streaming button, which we'll go back to here. So basically, once we go back to the main page, you'll just click on that streaming button, browse the categories, and play the session. That's as simple it is to start playing the sessions in streaming mode.